Hey everybody, it's Tim McClellan here, and although I don't look like it, I have been designing and building furniture for over 25 years. And one of my favorite materials to work with is barnwood. This is a barnwood table that I've had sitting here for years and years and years. And basically sitting in the sun, the finish has taken a beating. But I'm going to show you today how I can bring this back to life in a very short time using a very simple technique, and it's going to look as good as new. I'm going to take a little bit of sandpaper. This is just 320 sandpaper. I'm going to use a Tudor brown bry wax and working from the center out. So I'm going to do areas about the size of that center piece each time, making sure that I push it down into all the recesses with the rag and take it back off the outside section last so I don't get it all over my jeans. If it does dry out on you, you can add more wax and it'll soften it up, but it takes twice as much wax that way. One of the things that is good about this character barnwood with a lot of weathering is that it's very forgiving. It takes the wax in and you really can't see it because there's all that texture, it just disappears. Whereas this flatter wood, that will show all of your wax strokes, so you have to make sure you get that nice and even.